Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy, what's today? Tuesday. Oh, today's Wednesday. August the 11th. Guys, my days are all messed up. Hold on one second. What is today? I think today's August 11th, but it's definitely Wednesday. We're out here in Loganville, Georgia, not far from the shop. I like when we work close to the shop. So this is a client. I came out about 3 weeks ago. He was doing some more work on the house. Came in, did an in-home consultation. He ended up calling me back about a week later. Said, Courtney, I got other quotes, but I decided to go with you. And what we're going to be doing here, guys, this is an engineered floor, screen, Recoat, UV cure, and also granite countertops. Let me flip this around and show you what we got going today. All right, so let me show you what we got going. Loganville, Georgia. Actually, I'm about less than a half a mile from my house. So let's show you guys what we got going. Oh, no, okay, I'm August 12th. All right, guys, so these are the floors. They're not in bad condition, but they just got some wear. You can see the poly wearing. You see scuff marks all over, little marks here and there. So there's definitely in need of a good screen and recoat. But overall, guys, again, they're not bad. We're also going to be doing these granite countertops that we do a lot. And yeah, so actually we went and looked at a floor yesterday. Me and my ride along. We did a consultation for a engineered floor because he's putting his house on the market, and he was quoted $30,000 to replace his floors because they had a lot of wear, dog scratches. And he found me on YouTube. He said, Courtney, I watch a lot of your videos. And he ended up calling me this morning to book for September. So anyway, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started and get these floors looking nice and good. All right.
Clean and buff, round and round, round and round, round and round.
Watch this shine.
Come back now, come back now, come back now, come back.
Spin it, spin it, spin it.
Burn it, burn it, burn it, burn it, burn it, burn it, clean and buff. Burn it, burn it, burn it, burn it.
Spin it.
Clean and buff.
Round and round. Whole flow shining through the town.
Slow glass smooth.
Don't make a sound.
Watch that shine.
Come back around. Buffer spinning real slow. Whole flow got a wet glow.
Side to side, nice and smooth. Old wood floors got a whole new groove. Clean and buff.
Round and round. Whole flow shining through the town.
Slow glass smooth.
Don't make a sound.
Watch that shine.
Come back around.
All right, guys, look at the difference. Okay, I've done this granite right here. Look at that. Also this one right here. Look at that. I've not done, look how dull that one is. Okay, and it has light. So you're gonna see a huge difference. But look at this one. Countertops, wood floors, great combination. Now look at this side I haven't done yet. Woo! Woo! Yes, sir. All right, guys, follow the light. You see the light reflection? I've just polished this side right here. Now watch this side that I have not You could probably see why I stopped that right up in here. Watch the light. See the light? Wow, look at that. And now you can see the light at every angle. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am.
Well now, round here, we don't tear up good floors. We bring them back to life. One day, that's all it takes. Screen it, recoat it, hit it with that UV boom. Furniture back, kids back, dogs back, business keeps moving. That's the Truman way, partner. No shortcuts, just smart work. One day in, one day out. Yeah, that's how we ride.
All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Floors came out great. Remember all those scuff marks and scratches that was here at first? All gone. That's what the screening does.
Yep.
Furniture's already back.
You gotta do anything different with like the care or whatever?
Oh yeah, I gotta give them a free gallon of our cleaner. Every client that uses us get a free gallon of our cleaner. And nice satin finish on here. Floors look amazing. Also too, guys, I ended up picking up a project for tomorrow. Guy called me. His house cleaners put Rejuvenate on his floors. And he said now it's leaving streaks everywhere and it's not looking good. So we're gonna do that tomorrow. It's in Winder, Georgia. Also, Countertops came out immaculate. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.